Okay, everybody, let's get started on the actual production part of editing our video. As you can see here, I have a number of different images that I have went online and I have just found and I'm going to use to my advantage and to make this video. So there's a couple different resources that you can use online that you can pay for images like iStock. That's just one that's coming to my head, but you can also go online and just do Google Images and screenshot them, or there's a lot of different resources that are out there. So for example, here is just a couple different examples of different video, different images that you can use. These are very general. I'm just going to use these images because they're very general for the video that we're writing, or that we're about to make rather. So here's my script. So if please write a script prior to doing this. It would be important to do so. It doesn't have to, the script doesn't have to be amazing. You just have to have a good idea of what you want from it. This is more of a basic outline. So yeah, make your script and it should be good. Focus more on the images though. This is going to be almost of a graphic slideshow that is very good and used in most marketing campaigns.